Purnima Devi. Purnima Devi, as her name symbolizes, is fullness. She's full of energy. She's a very good friend of mine. I share a lot of things together. We have got a lot of laughter moments together. Purnima was a youngest teacher of Art of Living in Tamil Nadu. She became a teacher of Art of Living at the age of 23. From a very well-off and landlord family, she from a very well-off and landlord family, she chose spirituality and she started serving the humanity. She takes meditation courses, youth program, intuition, VTTP, children and teens courses too. Purnima, are you ready to take the questions?
Yes, Priya.
Right. So, what can we start now? Can you give us a glimpse of your childhood and your family, Purnima?
Yeah. So once again, I'm back like 5 years old. I was only daughter, Priya, like brought up in a very orthodox, very old age family.
Okay.
Like my great grandfather, he was they'll tell no panchayat head, you know. The village was in his name, you know. Like my first cousins, my dad's mom's first cousins, maybe more than 270. You know, if I have any function, no, the 270 people will be at my home. You know, like that thing. I'm so happy to be. I born in that family.
So you have experienced joint family.
Yes, yes, that time, but not now. Maybe like my father, my mother, everyone. So here, no, like the thing. I went to hostel for my higher studies. After completing it, you know, like even I like it or not, my mother forced me to do a lot of like extra curricular activities. Maybe like whatever she want to do, she made me to do it. You know,
Okay.
like dance, music, everything. You know.
So you lived her life.
Yes, yes, of course. That time I used to think, why she's doing like this? But now, when I think it of, no, Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam, I have to thank them being a daughter to my parents.
So what made you do Sudarshan Kriya, Purnima?
Like, you know, my brother, cousin brother, Vijay Anand, I have to thank him this moment. He forced me to do the Art of Living program. Maybe 97 I took my first Sudarshana Kriya practice. No, I started my first course. Like lot of challenge only. That time, no, I don't have any interest that time. But he forced me and compelled me to sit for the course. But like, you know, that is the time I met His Holiness Sri Sri Ravi Shankar
Oh, after the course immediately?
Immediately, that
Okay.
Saturday,
Oh.
the ending day of my course, I
Right.
saw His Holiness Guruji. So that was the inspiration in my life to move ahead.
Very good. Wonderful. So being from a very strict family and only daughter, why did you choose a unique path?
Yeah. Like,
After
you know,
Sudarshana Kriya, what happened
yes,
next?
yeah, after Sudarshana Kriya, no, like a challenge only, I just took that course because I was not a good communicator, you know. I never go and talk one to one, what people will think about me. I have a lot of negativity. Negativity in the sense, no, what they will think about me. If I go and speak.
Societal norms, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Then, no, I was in a very comfort zone. Comfortable zone. I don't want to move ahead. So, like this Sudarshana Kriya practice regular has pushed me to the courage zone to take up a lot of challenges in my life. My first placement after my MBA, I got placed in Titan in Bangalore as an assistant HR. So I told no Orthodox family with my only single daughter. So my father told no, your only daughter. I will not allow you to go and stay in Bangalore alone. So like little disappointment. So that made me forced me to placed in a college as a lecturer for taking course for youths.
Wow.
So now I don't know, I'm not a good communicator. Now I have to speak. This is the transformation in my life.
That is wonderful. Can you share a few life-changing events with Gurudev wherein you are absolutely grateful that you have chosen this path?
every day and every second
I
is
agree.
miracle. No, I
True.
think Priya might be also come across
Very
all
true.
that, like, I would like to share few miracles. I don't know, every day is miracle. Even sitting now and giving interviews also miracle only. Like I will mix up in both Tamil and English if I'm comfortable.
Please go ahead.
Because no, mother language is always, mother tongue is always, like that gives the emotional thing will come from the heart. 2004, I think so. Yes, 2004. That was my first trip to Amsterdam.
Okay.
The tickets has been blocked. First time going abroad. That makes me
This is
very.
after marriage,
Yes,
right?
yes, after my
Okay.
marriage.
Hmm.
So I told all my cousins, bye bye, see you. I'm going
It's
to.
a honeymoon trip.
No, 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 it's a business trip. Purely, it's a business
Okay.
trip. So I told, bye bye, see you all. I would like to get your chockies, especially in European chockies will be really tasty. I told, bye, everyone, see you and all. So I went, that is the first time, no visa processing and all at Mumbai Fort. So I
Hmm.
have to travel there. So my husband got the visa, but
Hmm.
for me, it took 5 days delayed.
Oh, okay.
They will tell a word in Tamil, Indru poi nalai va.
Hmm.
So every day when I go to his office, they don't come tomorrow. Why are you going, madam? So a lot of questions. So that time I told my husband, okay, this is the time we are going for a business trip. Better no, I will might cancel my trip. I will go to once again back to Coimbatore. You have your visa. You can travel. I
Hmm.
told. He told, no, 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 you are coming. I want to introduce you to my customers. So like here was a part in my company as a
Right.
life partner, as
Yes.
part in company.
Business partner
Yes.
too.
So that I told no, no, no. But one corner of my mind, I told bye bye, see you. I'll get you chockies and all to my cousins. What when I once again return back to Coimbatore? What people think about me?
Correct.
So I told no, no, no. You go no. At last, finally, the visa has been processed. I land up in Amsterdam. That trip, that is during Christmas vacation to New Year. Normally, they'll be having a long weekend vacation.
Okay.
So anyhow, it's Guru's grace. I met all the customers. So like the day, I blocked the ticket. That is a 15 days before I blocked I think a month or 15 days. I don't know. My husband he blocked the ticket. Traveling, returning back. That is on 2004, 25, 26. That is a Christmas day. We just blocked the ticket. Singapore Airlines from there to Singapore, Singapore to Chennai. That is a
Okay.
ticket block. And at Christmas, we thought of we'll spend in beach resort in Sri Lanka. So that is the scheduled plan, as per scheduled plan. But due to 5 days delay, everything has to be shifted.
Changed. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So finally we land up in Paris. That 25, 26 we land up in Paris.
Hmm.
That time, no, I saw a big screen in an airport. That is, I could see Chennai, Marina Beach, a big
Oh.
white color ambassador was rolling. They told it tsunami. People they saw us and they asked me, oh, you're from which place? I told we are from India. You're from India. Like one word they were telling Tamil, yo, pavama irukku, pavam, they come from India. I told from Tamil Nadu. They started. At that time only I came to know because no, there was a huge hit of tsunami in Sri Lanka as well as in Tamil Nadu.
My God.
So that time I thought, Guru, you have saved my life. No, that is a great miracle. Even whenever I think that, no, I could see goosebumps.
Very true.
That is a great experience. And I cannot forget that, like 2006, after my wedding, like 6 years after my wedding, I concert with twins.
Oh.
That is a great, great experience I would like to share to you all. You know, uh, Many people know they don't have kids maybe after 6 years, 10 years.
Correct.
So even I also undergone all that, what is that, stress.
Hmm.
But anyhow, one thing I surrendered to divine. That's it. So like it was a great experience. I consulted with twins. My first visit to the doctor, I told doctor every time I get like vomiting and some disturbance in my mind and my body.
Hmm.
Then they told after taking a card test, they told you're conserved. was so
Okay.
surprised. Then I went for a scan. I told, yes, it's true. Come on, take a scan. They told, you're conceived with twins. They told us, happiest moment in my life. No, only one
Wow.
thing I'll tell, that's the happiest moment in my life. Then I came home. She asked me to come for next day. GTT. They used to do Priya
Glucose
glucose
tolerance
tolerance
test,
test.
right?
So it was 257
My God.
because no, it was high.
Hmm.
No way I was hospitalized for 15 days.
Hmm.
They gave me insulin because no, that is the best
Correct.
thing to say
Hmm.
the kids. Now a lot of lot of changes, like advanced methods are there in medical.
Hmm.
So she asked me, okay, go take rest, put insulin, take good food because you're concerned with twins. It's a God's gift. Okay, everything went well. Third month came. I used to tell my Amma, my stomach is full of some butterfly flying all over. I used to tell my Amma, yeah, you're concerned with twins. No, so you'll feel all that. Then third month I went. Once again, the scan. My doctor told me you're concerned with triplex.
My God.
I thought, what
Wow.
is this? They told twins, okay, triplex. No, I feel like fainting. What is this? Then I was just telling to my Amma, what is this? Second visit, they're telling me triplex. When it comes third visit, they tell no, another
Correct.
twins. So then that is the situation. Then there the problem starts. Normally the 12th to 13th week they will take NT for
Hmm.
us
Hmm.
spinal growth, how the
Yes.
kids fall. So it was abnormal.
Hmm.
Among the twins, one of the child, no, it has got abnormal result. Say they told me to do fetal reduction. You know what is
Okay.
fetal reduction?
Yeah.
No? It's a
Right.
medical term. So here they can't do. I have to go to Chennai. Famous hospital is there. Very famous sonologist, radiologist. They tell.
Hmm.
So my doctor, they guided me. They counseled me because my husband, no, he counseled my husband, my parents. They counseled me. Then I feel, I cried for 2 days. God has given me triplex, and is getting one, that I feel like emotional. So I prayed my guru, everything. That is a day I could not forget in my life. That is Thursday. That is 2007, um, June 28th or 27th. I'm not clear. 27th or 28th, that evening, like the day Pradosham, 6
Okay.
o'clock, the team of doctors were there. I was They're doing fetal reduction. Sorry, third month they done fetal reduction. Once again, I came to, sorry, that was not there.
Okay.
I came
Right.
to Coimbatore. Well, like 2 days I was in hospital. 1 week I took complete rest at Chennai and came to Coimbatore. This all went well. And fifth month, once again, now land up with my doctor.
Hmm.
Fifth scan. That is, they'll do the scan, no?
Correct.
Periodically, 2 months once.
Right.
That is the scan, like third scan, I think so. Already out of three, one has gone, and twins is there in same sac. That is identical twins.
Oh.
The fetal reduction was done for
Another
yeah,
sac.
individual sac.
Right. So these two children were sharing one.
Yes, one room.
One.
They will tell, no, same identical
Okay.
twins.
Right.
That is little complicated. I am not a science student, but I learned lot of things. What is happening inside my stomach and uterus. So, like that fifth month, I land up. My doctor told that I thought that, oh, present moment is inevitable. No, I have to
Hmm.
follow. She told me, she was not telling anything. After scan everything over, where is your husband? She's asking only my husband. I told no, he's outside. He'll come. Then no, she's telling twin to twin transmission syndrome. That's a new terminology I'm hearing. What is a TTTS?
Hmm.
Like twin to twin transmission syndrome means the kids, they will share, the identical twins will have this problem.
Oh.
Maybe one kidney for another
Okay.
twin and one more for another twin. Maybe the heads may be together. I don't have any problem like that. The placenta has got interconnected.
Okay.
So whatever the food, they will tell no donor and recipient something.
So they were sharing it.
Yeah,
inside.
that's the when A and B. A takes all the food and give to B.
Oh, okay.
A was not keeping anything. 80% of the food, no, he will give to B.
Oh, some.
So yeah, interconnection. The placenta interconnected. So they don't know what to do. My doctor told very clearly, you just go to Chennai. She has given a letter to an hospital, very famous doctor, gynecologist.
Mm.
I don't know to tell their names and all, but no, they told please guide the couples and save their kids. That is the only thing. So nice, my doctor. I have to thank them. I went to Chennai once again back.
Mm.
So once again, no, 1 2 months I stayed in this house, and once again I'm back to Chennai. So like with lot of counseling and guidance, one thing, amniotic fluid, they will say, no,
Yes,
amniotic fluid in
yes, correct.
uterus.
Mm.
So the circulation was more. So
Okay.
one of the twin cannot move.
Because
It has
of
got
the
a lot of
water,
stress.
okay,
Yes,
water secretion.
yes. So only one thing, they want to remove that amniotic fluid outside. So it
Mm.
is all against nature, you know.
Mm. Correct.
My doctor told, I used to keep asking him a lot of questions. Doctor, what next? What will come? He used to tell, Purni, just keep quiet. It is my headache. You just surrender. So that is a time. That is a time. No, I told that is it. So that is June 28th or 27th. That is Thursday, Pradosam. They just took 1.5 liters from my uterus.
Mm.
My doctor told, so every week we have to go for scan. If the fluid circulation is more, every week,
That
they
will be
put
good.
injection inside the uterus. It's
Mm.
very, it is
It's
very
painful.
not painful.
Mm.
I don't have pain and all, but it is
Stress.
against nature. It is stress. If any needle something happened to the twins, that's all.
Oh, okay.
So it is more stress for doctors.
Correct.
I was so enjoying,
Okay.
enjoying in the sense, no, I surrendered everything to divine. He has given the kids. I asked him.
Mm.
Every time when I go ashram, I ask something, sure Guru will give. So 2006 April, I asked Guruji. He asked me, what do you want? Guruji, எனக்கு உங்களை மாதிரி ஒரு குழந்தை வேணும், I asked. So, no, like next year, 2007, I was conceived.
Mm.
So that is the thing, So I was hospitalized 2 3 days. I just in ICU. Then I'm back to Chennai. I stayed in my sister's house till delivery. I didn't come to Coimbatore with lot of care. Uh, I just stayed at Chennai. Like my due date, they have given like this kids and all. They will come within 26 27 weeks.
Mm.
It's very difficult. Before 24 weeks, 25 weeks, we don't have incubator facilities that time. I don't know now they have.
Mm.
Maybe in US they have. So we are inquiring to Dr. Quinto. He's very famous in US.
Mm.
But they have given all detail, what the thing, they have to do laser something, they have to do laser treatment. But they are not, they told 25 lakhs it comes, Indian rupee.
Okay.
But they are not giving assurance to the kids.
Okay.
They're telling, பெரிய உயிர் காப்பாத்திடும், சின்ன உயிர் தெரியாது.
So 2 children were there.
Yeah, twins.
Okay.
So like I told, no, spending 25 lakhs, I want to see my kids.
Correct.
So like, no,
Mm.
this is, they will tell in a word in Tamil, davam, needinal davam.
Mm.
So this is a Guruji's kids, like I was little disappointed. But only one thing I had in my mind, focus 100%, just surrender. That's it. I don't want to, it is coming from my heart, Priya. Even when I sharing this, I feel like tears may come out. But the one thing, my Guru is there to take care of everything. That is the thing. Like my doctor told, so October 2nd, we'll do C-section. Maybe that is 34 weeks for the kids. That is safer.
Correct.
So like, like 7th or 8th visit, I'm going to scan. My doctor was asking, I saw a person, where is he? He was asking.
Mm.
I told, who's it?
Mm.
I was doctor. He's a very
Okay.
famous doctor. I saw a person. நான் ஒருத்தர் இருந்தாருங்களே தாடி வச்சுட்டு எங்க? He was asking in Tamil.
Mm.
The person with
Beard.
and white dress. Where is he? Wherever I go, I used to carry Guruji's knowledge book and Garbharakshami Gamman in Tamil Nadu. She's
Okay.
very famous for kids. She
Okay.
used to give kids. I used to carry both the books. And I told my friends were there, my husband friends, everyone were there. My amma, we are shocked. I told Amma, Guruji has given a darshan to doctor. You just surrender, ma. That's it.
Very nice.
That's it. I told my amma. She's also like surrender. Then, no, like October 2nd was a date they have given. 30 weeks gone. I'm stepping for 31st week of my pregnancy. Like my doctor was telling, you have to immediately hospitalized because one of the twin is getting the reverse blood clots.
Intertwined.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
intertwined. Okay.
yeah, it got a clot. So I have to hospitalize, they told. So like 31st I'm stepping, no way I have to hospitalized. Okay. Like 2 days gone. Mm, then Swami Vishnupata called me. My brother told everything to Swami Vishnupata. Vishnupata called me just entering into the labor ward. Guruji told everything will be taken care. You know, that time Guruji, I think he's in German, I think so. He was not in India. So it will be taken care. I told my brother Vijay, who was the inspiration, and he took me this path, he came and blessed me. Guruji's blessing is there. And I delivered twins. That is on September 16th. 32nd, entering to 32nd week, not 31st completed 32nd week. So both the twins, I saw the whole delivery in a mirror.
Screen. Okay.
Yeah, a mirror. They kept a mirror. So around the mirror you could see a lot of lights, I saw the whole delivery and I saw both the twins, so cute. Like one was 1 kilo 400 grams and another twin was 900 grams, only not even 1 kilo.
Okay.
Like they were kept in NICU. No, the team came after my delivery. They took to NICU. I was in one hospital. My twins were in some other hospital. Like 3 days I was here. Then finally I landed up to NICU, that hospital, Mehta Hospital. The day, that is in September 16th, I delivered twins. 17, 18, 19th, that 900 grams twin. He was with a lot of complication, like, the organs and all, that the time, whatever it should happen, it took longer time. That twin,
Formation.
formation, it took time because, the 22 transmission happened, he has given all the food to
The other
other
twin.
twin.
Okay.
So, like the doctor told, so we will put our 100%. Let's see. Only God will see. So when I went there, I saw only the oxygen cylinder was there. I could not see one of my son. So that was a great disappointment in my life. But even I think it is like that was a little bit. Even I got emotions out of it. So that my son was 1 kilo 400 grams, and like it was reduced to 1 kilo 200 grams. So like small, like apple shaped head. It took 3 months. He was 2 kilos, 2.5 kilos in 3 months. That time, Guruji came to Chennai. He was staying in Dr. A.B.M. Kumaran's house. Somebody called me, just take your child, baby, and come show to Guruji. That time it was rain in October, rain. So I told, sorry, I can't travel. So I thought, Guruji, I thought in Tamil word, I was saying to my Amma, Kandipa Guruji will come to Coimbatore, 2008. Kandipa பாருங்க ஏதோ ஒரு ரூபத்துல எனக்கு வந்து blessings பண்ணுவாங்க. I told my mother. You don't believe? February we came to Coimbatore, 2008. I was back to Coimbatore on December 2008. 2007 last. And 2008 he came to Coimbatore and they had a very great big satsang at Kodisha Hall.
Wow.
So like I could not take my son because it's premature. So like on devotee's house he stayed. I just took it all. வா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். He was telling எதுக்கு வெயிட் மாலை. I just took a big garland and I gave to Guruji and he asked me. I told Guruji bless him. Already I blessed, I told. And I told என்ன பேரு சொல்லுங்க குருஜி, நான் ஒரே ஒரு பேர் தான் வச்சிருக்கேன், அது நீங்க சொல்லுங்கன்னு. என்ன நேம்? I told the name. Oh, that is brightness. And he blessed the kid. So like then
blessing.
Yeah, blessing. Then I cried, Guruji, like I'm not. Soon he'll be coming soon. And then
Wow.
so that thing.
So your daughter is
Yeah. Maybe
a
after two and
blessed
a half
one.
years after that, I consult
Really, this is
with.
a magical moment.
Yeah. Every day, every second, Priya, it's a magical moment. Like, it's coming from your heart. Like, So, how we have to carry knowledge, that is very important,
The what I've understood after hearing this Purnimas, Gurudev is there with us. It's
Yeah.
just that we have to know the presence of him. He knows and he gives you back, isn't it not? It's such a beautiful thing to
Yeah.
connect directly to Gurudev, and it's an experience of lifetime.
No, I can tell this is rasagulla, this is gulab jamun. You can see the color white and brown,
Correct.
but when you taste, that makes difference.
Right.
The same thing. Entering the path that makes lot of change
Yeah.
in life.
Very brave you are,
Yeah.
very bold and brave.
That only one thing. I told I'm not a good communicator, but still the chance and choice. No way you have to speak. That is the only thing I'll share, Priya. Like, every day is miracle. Every second is miracle.
Correct.
Even I travel and train, some confusion will come. Finally, it will end up with miracle only. So this, with COVID situation, like, everybody at the family, we got COVID in May this year. Like,
Yeah.
like, I don't have any, like, just I lost my smell, taste, everything. But my temperature was 99. So, like, everyone took the CT at the 8th or 9th day. I'm getting shocked, 0% lung infection.
Wow.
Then I was a little bit shocked. Really, I got COVID or not? And then I told I do my sadhanas regular. I do my sadhanas regular, like pranayam, basrika, nothing regular. Lot of transformation, Priya.
Amazing. Wonderful. Right. And you're a meditation program teacher, an advanced meditation program teacher. So, as a meditation program teacher, can you tell us what the importance of meditating every day?
So quality of life changes when you do meditation regular, you know.
Hmm.
So I do sadhanas daily and meditate twice a day. That will I told COVID. So example,
Very
I do
good.
meditation sadhanas regularly. So it makes your mind very sharp. Not only sharp, Priya. So the positive energy it passes throughout the aura that cleanses. Even the negativity will not touch.
Hmm.
So doing meditation and sadhanas is must. Guruji has spoken like 5 years seva. First do seva, do meditation, do satsang, do sadhana. That is very important. When you do sadhana, everything get cleansed.
Correct.
So do meditation every day. It changes your life.
Right. So now a question on the material and spiritual world. Do you feel the material world and spiritual world is different, Purnima?
No.
Can you give us an insight?
No. Both are interconnected. So, like practicing spirituality every day, it brings a lot of changes in our life, like our perception, our observation, the way of action or expression. It changes totally, Priya.
Okay.
What I tell, even whatever the relationship we maintain outside, it becomes in a very smooth way.
Understanding is better.
Yes,
right?
yes, understanding better. So it is must. Both materialism and spirituality for a human being is must. So that balancing should be very clear. So only materialism comes when you never practice spirituality. The life will be rigid.
Correct.
Both balance, like a common balance. There is a word in Tamil, tarasu. So it should be balanced.
Very nice. So playing different roles. You're a businesswoman, you're a mother, you're a cook, you're a homemaker, you do so much of work and you also teach a lot of courses. How are you balancing everything, Purnima?
Like practicing sadhanas every day and living in knowledge. Whatever the thing Guru has given us, we are implementing it. So this is the difference. So I do the job and work perfectly. Whatever the role it is given to me as a mother, I played it 100%. As a CEO for a company, I'm playing that role 100%. So like a balance.
Correct.
So because of the knowledge and the path.
Okay. So thankful for being in this knowledge and being with the living master, isn't it not? Such a wonderful journey being with the living master. We are able to, the relationship nurtures with it, isn't it?
Yes.
And thank you so much, Purnima, for giving such a valuable time. In spite of this busy schedule, she's taken out time to give this talk for us. Thank you very much. Keep watching this channel for more live sessions and interactive sessions to come.
So
Thank
thank you, Priya. Thank you, viewers. And one more thing I would like to share. So this is a pandemic situation. So kindly follow the rules, government protocols, whatever it is. Wear mask, wash your hands, be safe at home. Kindly follow the rules. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.